Hi everyone. Last lecture you see about labeling packing of a drug. In that you see a general labeling requirement of a dosage form. What are the general requirement in that you see about identity of a drug and its manufacturer through its official name, trade name if any, their manufacturer names and address and license number, batch number for schedule W. Then potency standards grade does express dose as a ml grains units. Net content, then manufacture expire date, precaution for handling, storage, sale, uses, patient requirement, patient provision for dispensed drug. Then you see about a patient labeling requirement in that you see drugs needing a cautionary label schedule G, H, X, C, veterinary drugs, ophthalmic solution, and ointments. Also see the labeling requirement for other drugs, labeling requirements for medicine for export, then labeling of a dispensed medicine. Then these are for lecture. Today you will start with the remaining part of labeling and packing of a drugs in that labeling of medicine for export. Identity of a drugs and its manufacturer through its official name, trade name if any, their manufacturer name and address and license number, batch number, expire date should be mentioned in the label. Then drug made by label in accordance with the provision of a labeling of a country of a export. These are requirements for export of a drug in a country through a country. So then next there is a labeling of dispensed medicine in that medicine dispensed on prescription of RMP, that is a registered medical practitioners, are also exempted from normal provision. That name and address of supplier, name of patient and quality, then serial number is prescription records, then dose if it is an internal use and write words external use, write words for external use only if the for external application. Then a labeling requirement, labeling of a Ayurvedic Siddha and Unani drugs, labeling and packing of a cosmetics, and labeling of a homeopathic drug. What is the labeling and packing of Ayurvedic, Siddha, and Unani drugs? In that, the label should contain the following details. In Ayurvedic, Siddha, or Unani drug formulation, what are the requirements for a label? In that, first, list of ingredients with their quantities and references to be method of a preparation. In case of large list, it may be printed separately. You see about for Ayurvedic, Siddha, and Unani drugs. The medicine for internal use containing poisonous substance specified, that is the schedule E1, shall be labeled with word caution to be taken under medicine supervision in English and Hindi. So next, name of a drugs as per first schedule. What is the first schedule? Then name that are used in first schedule. It will be right is that for first schedule. Then net content, proper name of a substance in addition to the any patent and proprietary names. Then name and address of a manufacturer. Then manufacturing license number, then batch of a lot number, date of manufacture, then the word Ayurvedic medicine, the medicine will be Ayurvedic. So write the Ayurvedic medicine, then Siddha medicine, Siddha formulation, write the Siddha medicine, Unani medicine, then the word for external use only if the medicine for the external use in capital. Then preparation of asav with a high content of a alcohol as base. These are the label of a Ayurvedic formulation. Right first, that is a formulation and ingredients and list of a method separately printed out. Then next, the labeling and packing of a cosmetics. Cosmetics should be labeled and packed in the prescribed manner. Then on first on both the inner and outer label, the name of it, the cosmetics. What is a cosmetics? Write the name of this cosmetics. Then the name of the manufacturer and complete address of the premise of a manufacturer where the cosmetic has been manufactured. Then on the outer label, on the inner label, write the name of a cosmetics, the name of a manufacturer, and complete address of a premises of a manufacturer where the cosmetic has been manufactured. Then on outer label, write a declaration of the net content expressed in terms of a weight for solid, fluid measure for liquid, weight for semi-solid, combined with a numerical count if the content is subdivided. Then the inner label where hazard exists, adequate direction for safe use, any warning, caution or special direction required to be observed by the consumer. A statement of the names and quantity of the ingredient that are the hazardous or poisonous substances. So these are for cosmetics or label for cosmetics, inner label, outer label. You see also the various doses form or label in Google or in home that are the various cosmetics. For example, creams, cosmetics creams, lipsticks, shampoos, soap. These are for today's lecture. Last lecture you see about remaining part of labeling and packing. Today you will see about what are the labeling, medicine for export requirement. In that identity of a drug, you write the manufacturer through its official name, trade name, if any, manufacturer name, address and license number, batch number, expiry date, and should be mentioned the drug and label accordance with the provision of labeling of a country of export. Then you see about labeling of a dispensed medicine. You write about it medicine dispense on prescription of a registered medical practitioner, also exempted from normal provision, name and address of a supplier, name of patient and quality, serial number and prescription record, dose if the internal use, you write for internal use only, then external use, you write external use only. The labeling requirement of a Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani drugs, labeling and packing of a cosmetic, labeling of a homeopathic medicine. You see about labeling and packing of a Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs. In that you see about labeling requirement list of ingredients with their quantity reference to the method preparation. In case of large list, it may be printed separately. The medicine for internal you write the caution for under the medical supervision in English or Hindi language. Write the name of a drug as per first schedule, need content, proper name, name and address of a manufacturer, manufacturing license number, batch number or lot number, date of manufacturing, the word Ayurvedic medicine or Siddha medicine you will be right, Unani medicine it will be right, and then for external use you write for external use this formulation if medicine is external use, then preparation with the high content of alcohol, write the percent alcoholic formulation. These are the example asava, asavas in that name of drugs or ingredients, their quantities, the name of a Ayurvedic formulation in Hindi language. Then labeling of a you see about labeling of a packing of a cosmetics in that you write on label on both inner and outer label the name of a cosmetics, the name of a manufacturer, and complete address of the premises of a manufacturer. On outer label, you write the declaration of a net content expressed in the term of weight for solid, fluid measure for a liquid, weight for semi-solid combined with the numerical count if a content is a subdivide. On inner label, you write adequate direction for safe use, any warning, caution, or a specified direction required to be observed by a consumer, a statement of the names and quantities of the ingredients that are hazardous or poisonous. These are the example of the cosmetics formulation label. Next lecture you start with the labeling and packing of a homeopathic medicine. Thank you.